you, brother?
Good. How are you making out today?
Doing good. Corey Buckner.
You want to move that back a little more? There's a button on the side there.
There we go. There it is.
Doesn't have a whole lot more.
Hey, it works though. This is wonderful. So how long you had this Ferrari?
A couple of years.
That's awesome.
Got a Porsche Turbo before this. Whole lot faster car, but
yeah,
not quite as exotic.
Well, I know my mom did a lot of traveling for work growing up, and she actually went to she was in Europe for one of her business trips and brought me back I had a F50 brought me, that and my Lamborghini were my two favorite cars that she brought back for me to have. So I'm looking, everything is paddle shift. I kind of like that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think with this particular car, I think they only built one manual.
Really?
Which would be the greatest thing in the world to get a hold of that. That's all kinds of money.
That's awesome. Well, I always wondered, growing up as a kid, what it would be like to be in a Ferrari and a Lamborghini. And like, hey, you
get both in one day.
Both in one day. This is wonderful.
Oh, he's gonna line up. I think he wants to drag race. That's where horsepower prevails.
That is awesome. That is so wonderful. He's grinning ear to ear. Oh, that's awesome. I will say though, there's not much hanging with this. There's not much thing.
Well, he did get a little jump.
He did. He was already rolling already.
Before I started.
We'll call it. We'll say, hey, you're already ahead a little bit. Now this exact model was a Ferrari what?
California.
That's the actual name of it. It's California.
Yep.
Well, my connection to California. So when I went through cancer treatment, went through chemo and radiation. I had Hodgkin's lymphoma. Had a mass in my chest, and then it's all around my neck. And
should let the windows down so at least hear it.
So we ended up, my wife and I got married, and we ended up losing 4 kids in a row to miscarriage. Well, through that was led to adoption. Now we had that's awesome. That's wonderful. We were led to adoption, and we actually adopted a newborn baby girl, 4 days old, from California.
Wow.
So the kicker was, it's $35,000. You have to wire us 15 tomorrow. You need to be in California in 48 hours and plan to live here a month.
Oh my goodness.
We had the 15 because we were going through an agency, and that was our balance. But we didn't have the remaining 20 or the travel or any of that. So we just started praying and said, all right, Lord, you can do it. You own it all. And we were there in 48 hours with everything we needed. We got to meet Bella in California in that hospital room. That was a big moment. So addition to helping cancer patients, that's the thing. One of the things that our nonprofit does is we help families afford adoption.
That's great.
So it's just things that are connected to our story. But you know, every time you get it, I just wish my Sonata would do that, but it's just not the same feeling. I just have to imagine it. That is, I mean, it plants down when you stomp on it. That's he's gonna get it. Oh, since he don't know what's about to happen here. Oh, the Challenger don't want no part of that.
Okay, Corey, we just got back from going on a ride. What'd you think about it?
Man, that was incredible, dude. Like, incredible. Like I said, man, I've never been sucked to the back of any seat like I was in that car. Either one of them. It was wonderful.
Excellent, excellent. What was your favorite part?
I would say, I mean, I think both. I mean, of course, I have a need for speed, right? So when y'all stomped it, man, that was awesome.
It is excellent, but I kind of like seeing all the other people get really excited about going through there too. It makes me kind of happy.
I mean, we couldn't go to you weren't anywhere around anybody else getting to that point where, you know, everybody's waving and looking, and even the guy when we went through that was in the city, big old truck just wanting to rev his engine on us. Like, it just, I think a lot of people were made happy today.
Yes, I appreciate it, and I'm so glad you got to come out with us, and you made us happy too.
Yeah, appreciate it.